Mega Math Kids. My name is number 8, and today we're going to learn how to add by the number 8. Now before we start, let's do a warm-up exercise. Let's see if you guys can recognize which group represents the number 8. Okay, Mega Math Kids, can you tell me which set of fruit represents the number 8? The strawberries or the cherries? Okay, is it the strawberries? Yes, Mega Math Kids, yes. Yes, Mega Math Kids, yes. Okay, is it the cherries? No, Mega Math Kids, no. No, Mega Math Kids, no. If you pick the strawberries, you're right. Awesome job, Mega Math Kids. Let's try another round. Now this time, we have some mangoes and some kiwis. Which set of fruit represents the number 8? Okay, is it the mangoes? Yes, Mega Math Kids, yes. Yes, Mega Math Kids, yes. Okay, is it the kiwis? No, Mega Math Kids, no. No, Mega Math Kids, no. If you pick the mangoes, you're right. Awesome job, Mega Math Kids. Okay, Mega Math Kids, now that you are warmed up, let's do some math. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 11. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 12. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 13. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 14. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 15. And 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16. Awesome job, Mega Math Kids. Now you know how to add by the number 8. Alright, Mega Math Kids, let's see if you can do it on your own. If you don't know how to write yet, it's okay. Just say the answers out loud. For those of you that can write, get a pencil and a sheet of paper. Now get ready for the Mega Math Kid race. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do 8 addition problems. Don't be nervous, it's just like we practiced. Are you ready, Mega Math Kids? Are you ready, Mega Math Kids? Okay. Ready, set, math. Great job, Mega Math Kids. Time to check our answers. For those of you who are still learning, get a parent to help you check. If you got some right, great job. If you didn't, it's okay. You'll do better next time. Yes, you did it. You completed the Mega Math Kid race. Now you are officially a Mega Math Kid. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Math, Mega Math Kid.